Hey guys, we're running this inspection in Clinton, Illinois. We have one of our colleagues, Angel, documenting the detached metal roof garage. And we're scoping this. This is a newer roof, but it does hold significant hail damage on the south west side from what the storm came from. There is collateral on the bridge. There's collateral on spanner on the satellite dish. It's a new roof, but it still has damage that we must turn into the insurance company and allow them to make the determination of how they want to handle it. So you give us a call and we'll be glad to represent you.